Hi, welcome back to InfoBeats. Today's video is about affectionate and cheerful dog breed Bernese Mountain Dog. Before get into the video, if you are watching our video for the first time, kindly subscribe to InfoBeats by clicking on the red color subscribe button and also don't forget to click on the bell icon for future notification. Your subscribe is very important to us. Keep support us. Let's get into the video. The Bernese Mountain Dog, or Berner Sennenhund in his native Switzerland, was used as an all-round farm dog by alpine herdsmen in the canton of Bern. The dogs drove cattle to pasture, pulled milk carts to the dairy, and acted as watchdogs on the farm. Generally, Berners hauled milk in pairs, so it was common to see two of them hooked to a cart. Berners are thought to have descended from Mastiff-type dogs who came to Switzerland along with Roman armies some 2000 years ago. There they interbred with local dogs and were developed to help with farm work. With industrialization, however, the dogs almost disappeared. The breed was revived in the early 20th century to become a companion dog, although many still carried out their traditional farm duties as well. The American Kennel Club recognized the Bernese Mountain Dog in 1937. The Bernese Mountain Dog is slightly longer than tall, though it appears square. It is a sturdy, large, hardy dog capable of both draft and droving work. This requires a combination of strength, speed and agility. Its natural working gait is a slow trot, but with good reach and drive. Its thick coat is moderately long and slightly wavy or straight, providing insulation from the cold. Its expression is gentle, and its coloring is striking. The Bernese Mountain Dog is an easygoing, calm family companion, that is, after it leaves its adolescent stage. It is sensitive, loyal and extremely devoted. It is gentle with children and often reserved with strangers. It generally gets along well with other dogs and pets. Bernese Mountain Dogs are not recommended for apartment life. They are relatively inactive indoors and will do best with at least a large, fenced-in yard. Because of their thick coats, they are sensitive to the heat and would much rather be in cold temperatures. Occasional barking tendencies. Good with kids. This is a suitable dog breed for kids. It is also very friendly toward other pets and friendly toward strangers. The Bernese Mountain Dog must be taken outside regularly because it is very fond of exercise and the outdoors. Bernese Mountain Dogs enjoy cold weather and love to run and play off the leash whenever possible. Avoid strenuously exercising the Bernese Mountain Dog when young, as it needs all of its energy to put on weight and build strong bones and joints. Moderate maintenance enough. Bernese Mountain Dogs have a thick, moderately long double coat that can be straight or slightly wavy. It shouldn't come as a surprise that this coat sheds heavily, but frequent brushing will help to keep loose hair under control. The best tools for grooming a Berner's coat are a stainless steel pin brush, a slicker brush, and a stainless steel comb with fine and coarse teeth. Constant and seasonal shedding is required. Expect this dog to shed frequently. Be prepared to vacuum often. Brushing will reduce shedding as well as make the coat softer and cleaner. Easy to train. The Bernese Mountain Dog must be handled with a loving, consistent approach and on an even keel. The Bernese Mountain Dog is an eager learner and is very responsive to its trainer's voice. If you want to know about any dog breed, you can mention in the comment box. We'll try to upload that video soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe us.